on the street. We're walking on the streets.
Walking on the street.
Walking on the streets. Where's the duck brigade?
The EU duck.
The EU duck. Two of us duck gang.
Walking through the palace. Yes, yes. Come, give me another pose. Yes. Oh. Videographer in his natural environment. Street, don't you think?
Yeah. Amsterdam.
Oh, I think this is what I see in the video about Brussels. So we're here on the tour.
We made it.
How are you feeling?
Excited.
How are you feeling?
Good.
So gather around me so you can all see and hear me properly. A good lunch, but still.
You didn't even look for us.
Good afternoon! When I do tours, that's how we start. Guys, we have to wake up the square and me, first of all. So you need to wake me up. Introductions. As you can see, my name is Dora. I'll be your tour guide for the day. I know you all think it. Dora the Explorer. To avoid any further punchlines. Yes, I have a backpack. I have maps, and there's also Diego in the company. Brussels has a history of 1,300 years old. Where did it all start? Not here. Exactly behind those houses. What we had there, a massive river. The biggest, greatest, did I mention biggest, monument of the city. The waffle that I recommend you is the street waffle, the Liège waffle. It's flat and then like uneven. That dough, we eat it plain. Why? I want you to like think about what I'm explaining. The dough has chunks of sugar inside of it. Once heated up, they becoming caramelized honey on the outside.
Oh, yeah.
Last time you're gonna hear me say it. No? The
What?
way back, do you know? No? Yes? That way. That is the town hall, guys. That's exactly where we started the tour. So you cannot be like, oh my god, like, where did you first one? Royal Palace, uphill. Electro night party. No, sorry.
Yes.
Bravo, okay. As you go up, left in front of the palace, you have the Royal Park. Please go. We're gonna be there drinking and partying. So if you guys don't have anything else to do, because you've seen the city center, you're done with it. My advice, you go up, you see the Royal Square, you see the Palace of Justice, which is the biggest courthouse in the entire world. You go to the left side, the palace and the Royal Park. You roam around, you grab a waffle. From the corner, there's a waffle truck. Right there. Waffle, a Coke, or ice cream especially. And you just roam around, that's it. You're done with learning. So, my opinion is that you go down there. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you guys!
Belgian waffles, 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 waffles. Now I finally got the waffle.
Now we finally got the waffle.
The waffle. A good waffle. Excitement.
How are you enjoying the waffle? So good, right? So good.
Very nice.
Look at that. We're in the park.
We got a beer.
We got a beer.
Feeling really cool.
She's really feeling it.
Out here.
In the park.
Park with our new friends, doing face to heart, going on events. I had the best. Me and Esteban sitting on the same jacket.
Oh, he's on the best. Back to back.
Yeah, I love it. Oh, look at the baby. Do you need it?
No, thank you.
She needs to return.
Thing was so nice. I just started to eat it like before it even gets into my room.